Hello everyone, welcome to Vectorverse. Today we are going to solve some questions from combinational string. So, till now, what we have discussed that basically, if the connection are in series, basically, let's say if the two springs are in series, then the k equivalent would be nothing but 1 by k equal to 1 by k1 plus 1 by k2. For parallel, if they are connected parallel, then what do we do? The displacement is same, and that k equal to k1 plus k2. Okay. Now we are going to solve the question. So let's say this is a question given. A block of mass m is attached to two springs K1 and K2. Our first question is to ask whether this is a series or parallel. Because we know the formula for series parallel. To calculate K equivalent, we just have to figure out whether this is a series or parallel. So what do we do? So for series, just remember this part that basically the force is same everywhere in the spring. But for parallel, what do we do? The displacement is same for two springs. So okay, so let's say I displace this block by some length L. For spring K2, it would be compressed by length X, and for spring K1, it would be elongated by length X, isn't it? So I can say that basically the displacement for K2 and displacement for K1 is same, so nothing but parallel, correct? So for parallel, we know that K equivalent is equal to K1 plus K2. That's it. Okay. So now we're going to solve on the next question. Next question is there are four springs given connected to a block of mass m. So in previous problem, this was a parallel connection. Now if you look very carefully, this is a standard problem. It's basically this k and k are nothing but in parallel. So for this k and k, it would be 2k, and for this k and k, it would be 2k. And again, this is a previous problem. K2 is 2k, 2k, 4k. So the answer is 4k. Correct. Now last problem. Now it's given to be this spring K, 2K, K, 2K, K, 2K, K, 2K. Okay. So if we look at this small proportion, then what do we observe here? That basically these two springs are in correct series. So what do? We write for this 1 by k equivalent is equal to 1 by k plus 1 by 2k. Take the LCM, nothing but 2 plus 1 by 2k. K equivalent is equal to 2k by 3. Correct. And for this, it would get multiplied by 4 times. So 2k by 3, 2k by 3, 2k by 3, 2k by 3. Add up. Nothing but k resultant equivalent finally is equal to 4 times 2k by 3 is equal to 8k by 3 is the final answer. This is the final answer. Okay. Thank you.